What's up, SnowBike Nation? This is Kyle Allred. Just wanted to do a quick video about the IceAge Performance SnowBike rail kits. I just ordered these directly from IceAge Performance, and the reason why is I have a 2016 120 Timbersled kit, and on those that year, and the 2015, so here's one of the years. I want to show you this right here. If you look at this area on the rail kit, on the rail itself, you'll notice the bump stops, and there's this the attachment for the bump stop there. And what has happened is, over time, what they found, those screws holding the bump stops on there, on the actual rail itself, backed out, fell out, whatever the case may be. They came out, and with that missing support structure there, the rails actually cracked right in that area, right above the Hyfaxes. I had no idea that this was an issue when I bought mine from a buddy, and I never bothered to honestly check into it. And when I was doing my maintenance checks, I missed that at the end of I didn't even notice it till the end of this season. Literally the last ride I had, I was looking at it, and I noticed on one side I was missing two of the screws. And then I had remembered, oh yeah, I saw that earlier, and had replaced one of the other sides. I had put some screws in there, but long story short, I missed it. I didn't notice it. My rails are cracked there. Obviously, I don't want to continue riding this season with cracked rails, though it might be fine. I have no idea how long I was riding with them cracked, but I did some digging into replacing those. And Brett Blazer from Timbersled said you can put the 2017 raw rails on there, so you could do that at $270 a side, so $540 for the pair. And I was looking at doing that, and then I was also talking to another buddy who said check out IceAge Performance. I believe the Timbersled rails are 6061 aluminum, and the IceAge Performance I know are 7075. And so, as you'll notice, there is no attachment there for a bump stop. So you can actually even see it's a reinforced spot right there, right? You can see that it's just one solid piece there. And so I ordered these and hope that, of course, it's not going to crack. So these are $450 for the pair of just the regular anodized aluminum, so not painted, or it's $550 for the painted. So it's basically the same price as the Timbersled ones, $540 for the Timbersled, $550 for these. And yeah, if you could pick them up at your local dealer, the Timbersled one's great, and I probably would have just did that, but they didn't have them in stock, so they have to order them anyways. And I called up IceAge Performance, and I ordered them from them, and they're up here in Montana as well, so only 5 hours from where I live in Kalispell. So anyhow, I'm hooking them up. Well, actually, they hooked me up, and I ordered a pair of these, so I'll be installing these on my kit very shortly. But check them out and make sure to do some checks, either if you're looking at a used kit, and make sure that you check that area, right? So make sure that if you're getting a used kit from somebody, you absolutely look at this area here. And if you notice there's any cracks right underneath that bump stop, just get a discount on the kit. Have them knock off $550 at least, because you're going to have to replace those. Maybe a little bit extra for the labor. And at a bare minimum, you definitely don't want that to buy a cracked rail, I should say. So make sure you've done your pre-checks, do your maintenance, check everything out before you go riding. You don't want to get stuck in the backcountry on your snow bike. It's just no-brainer stuff, part of your check. So have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Kyle with SnowBike Nation.